This is my first time using the practice sheet. Let's see how it goes. Light strokes up. In the next line, light strokes up and more pressure on the downstroke. Ooh, that was tricky. Getting ahead of myself. Well, not a master just yet. Light upward. Hand a little shaky. Oops. Light pressure. I'm losing it. I'm losing it. I wish I had more of the guide. Not too bad. So the idea light and heavy, then light halfway through. It's not going too well. Practice makes progress. Remember, light up, heavy down. Light up. Getting ahead of myself. Oh, and I need to stay within the circle. Light stroke up. Too light. Too light. Getting ahead of myself. Take it slow. Now we use the medium pen. for practice. And light, heavy downstroke, light, heavy downstroke. It seems easy enough. It's easier when the guide's there, but I guess that's where the practice comes in. So see, we need to do here, we need to start from the corner, down at the end of the box. You're gonna have to reach over to halfway, then down within the same box. Something like that. It's not gonna be perfect. Don't try to chase perfection. Seems like it gets worse the more I go along. But that's okay. Just remember to have fun. Heavy downstroke. Light upstroke. Light upstroke. A little thick. Okay, we're just going to do a curve lightly upward, heavy downstroke, and a light curve upward. Something like that. It's getting there. Okay, here we go. Double O. Trying to go a little faster and see if that helps. That's not helping. Slow and in control. Slow and in control. Now we use the large one. Get it more in view here. I didn't print these out too well. Oh well. Light, heavier downstroke. Light, heavier. I need more practice. Like I said, I wish I had more of these along, but we don't need those. We'll do just fine. We'll do just fine. A lighter upstroke. I'm sort of a, sometimes I'm sort of thinking of it like an S, sort of. Curve. Nope, too heavy. I went too heavy. Light upstroke, heavier down, light up. A little too thick. I need to swing it more up. Oh no, I'm doing it wrong. I gotta lean it. Lean lightly down. A little bit better. We'll just. Oh, remember, downstroke heavy, upstroke light. Downstroke heavy, upstroke light. Light upstroke. There we go.